Well, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. It's Tom Warhotch with United Way of Steele County. I am joined by a very special guest, Missie Boone of the Crisis Resource Center. Missy, how are you?
I'm doing wonderful. Thank you.
Well, we appreciate you being here, and we were hoping that you could share a little bit more information about how COVID-19 affected the Crisis Resource Center and the demand for the services that you guys provide.
Yeah, so with COVID-19, obviously there was a rise with domestic violence. So we've had an uptick in clients contacting our offices, seeking out assistance. I run a women's support group that I'm actually able to still run because we've gone the virtual platform route, kind of like how we're doing now. So I run a group virtually. If clients aren't okay with leaving their houses to come into our office, we can do orders over the phone. We've attended court hearings via Zoom with clients before. We can even go as far as setting up a virtual conference, like what we're kind of doing right now with the video feed. If a client wants to put a face to a voice, with regards to getting out into the community and talking about domestic violence and sexual assault in our services. I've gone a virtual presentation platform. So we've been submitting videos to agencies, and as far as going into the schools and still talking about teen dating violence and teaching elementary kids about violence prevention. We've done video recordings, we've gone Zoom, we've gone Google Meets. So we have actually tailored a lot of our services to still reach our population that needs our services, but we've also tailored a lot of things around COVID-19 to still reach out to community members as well, and recognize that domestic violence and sexual assault occurs within our community.
It's been really interesting just to hear how creative everyone's had to get and innovate so they can continue to provide services. And it really sounds like you guys haven't missed a beat.
We try not to, because we still need our agency is very vital to victims and survivors of domestic or sexual assault or child abuse, and for the community members that need resources and don't know where to turn to for those resources. So we couldn't skip a beat. We had to just kind of jump, either sink or swim, and dive in there and see what works and get it all the kinks and dysfunctions tuned out of our virtual platforms. So
It's fantastic. Well, thank you so much for sharing. We really appreciate it.
thank you.